qualified product, and it has the highest standards, which is CE certified and FDA certified, and also it's ISO certified, and it has the certification of IQNET. And it is very efficient and it is easy to use. We will show you how to use the system, and it is advisable to use at homes, and it is suitable for home care centers, and also the patient care centers, and especially elderly care centers. And it's a very good alternative for oxygen scarcity. As you all know, most of the hospitals having lack of oxygen, cylinder oxygens. So the hospitals ask patients to get oxygen or get alternatives at their homes. So this is a great product which you can use in this pandemic to save yourself and save your loved ones. And it's hassle free and it's very convenient to use. I will show you how to use it, and it also reduces the stress, and it will give benefit to your respiratory impairment. There are key features. The main feature is it comes with 5 liter, and it can be used 0.5 to 5 liter per minute. That means if your recommended dose is 1 liter, you can adjust the flow meter and use 1 liter per minute, as well as you can use it for 2 liter, and likewise you can use up to 5 liters. So it's very convenient, and it's a medical grade oxygen concentrator which gives you 96% purified oxygen, and it's portable, and it's very easy. If you want to travel, you can take it with you, and it's very comfortable working because it has low sounds. The sound rate is less than 50 decibel, and the compressor is coming from Thomans, which is a US company, and the filter is coming from the France Sika. So it's a very reliable machine with the standard followed standard protocols. So the safety features as well, because these machines has to be used in a safe manner. If there's high amount of current load, the machine will shut down, and if there's high temperature, the compressor will shut down. Also, if there's low pressure or high pressure, there will be alarm, and even if there's low oxygen concentration, the machine will indicate you there's low oxygen concentration. So it's a very safe product to use at home. So let's know about this device. First, I will highlight the main components of this product. The number one is the flow meter. You can adjust your flow, as I told you, 5 liter per minute or 3 liter per minute. You can adjust it according to your recommendation by the flow meter. And there's a display. The machine will give you which amount of concentration, oxygen concentration you are getting with this display indicator, and the oxygen tube which you have to put into your nostrils, the canal to oxygen canals you have to put into your nostrils, and the oxygen will come into your body, and the outlet connector which connects the machine and the humidifier with the machine, and also the breaker. As I told you, it's a very safe machine. The breaker, if there's any malfunction or high voltage of current, the breaker will disconnect, and then you have to keep it for 10 minutes and use it again. So then the sixth one is the connecting pipe, and also seventh one is the humidifier bottle. This is very important because normal oxygen is coming from dry. So this humidifier bottle will humidify oxygen, which can be used as natural oxygen. And the eighth one is the power switch. You have to switch it on and switch it off. And the time meter. The time meter will indicate how the time duration that you have used this machine. And the power code is the 10th one, and 11th one is a filter which will stop all the dust and other unnecessary particles which is in the air. And with the compressor, it gives you pure oxygen. So in this machine, there are a few components, very important components like filter and this compressor, and also there are two cartridge to stop nitrogen and gives oxygen. There are two cartridges. So if when the one cartridge is working, the other cartridge is putting out the nitrogen. So it is cleaning, auto cleaning. And when the other one is working, the other one is auto cleaning. So this machine is a very easy to use machine. So I think we have a video. So as you saw in the video, it's very user-friendly product. So what you have to do is fill water, pure water, in the humidifier bottle. There's a mark which is you should not put less than minimum or higher than the maximum. So you put pure water to the humidifier bottle and connect it with the oxygen concentrator and switch on the machine and put your canals and adjust the flow meter according to your recommendation. As I mentioned, if it is your recommendation is 5 liter per minute, then adjust the knob to the 5 liter and then keep it for 5 minutes. So if you keep it for 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, the machine will give you the highest number of concentration, which is more than 96%. So it's a matter of that. And so it's very easy to use and convenient. Even it's acceptable by many people, even the medical people. Then it can be used people like patients with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease patients, cardiovascular patients, lung disorder patients, and respiratory who has respiratory ailments. And it's sustainable and uninterrupted because it can be used for 24. The machine can be used for 24/7. So the machine is very user friendly, and you no need to stop it because the machine is manufactured according to the standard protocols. It can be used 24/7, and it also meets the highest standards, FDA CE certified, and it gives you the higher performance, and it's a reputed technology, and it's the ideal product for your home oxygen supply.